This is the unboxing of the Philips Smart Strip Light. So what we have in the kit is the 2-meter strip light plus the power adapter. I'll explain about this and that later on. This doesn't need an explanation, it's the usual video with a coffee. Okay, let's have a little unboxing. As you can see, at the moment where I'm going to install it is quite dark. This is where I'm going to install it, it's quite dark. I've got the light behind me. You can see a shadow. Light is actually behind me. So that's why I want to install a light here to brighten the place up. So let's have a look inside first. What you have is the kit. So you have the strip light. The power adapter connected to a UK plug. Or the European plug. But we're UK, so we stick with UK. Underneath the box is the power cable itself. So that is just easily slot in. And then the power cable goes in there. Sorry, one of them goes in there. And the other end goes into the back of that. And that gets plugged in. So we'll plug that in to show you. Just quickly switch it on. See how bright that is? Instantly bright the place up. I'm just going to allow the camera to refocus. Okay, that looks like it all works. So we switch that off. Allowing the camera to slowly refocus again. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to install this underneath this cupboard. So that's what we're going to do. So and the reason why we have a spare or additional double-sided tape, it already comes with double-sided tape in there, but what I found is when you're installing this or fitting this anywhere, the original sticky tape are not as powerful as some of these aftermarket ones. So I normally get one of these aftermarket one just to use it wherever is needed. I'll show you later. I'm sure we'll end up using some of this like we did last time, especially going around the bends. We'll go through it. So what I'll do is I'll end this video here and we'll come back watching me installing it on the cupboard upstairs. On the cupboard up there.